Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil's Tech Byte. In today's video, we will learn how to paste data without copy in Excel. So let's see. So this is the data we have used in our previous video for shortcut keys. So let's see. We wanted to copy this data and paste it in Excel, but without doing copy. So firstly, just select this data. Now come to the corner section of the selection. As you can see, currently, this is plus kind of cursor, and once you drag it to the corner, it's changing. It's like four arrows is coming. Now, just press Control and click and drag it to the section where you wanted to paste it. In my case, I wanted to paste it to FGH column. Now, I'll just leave my cursor. So, what will happen? The data got pasted here automatically. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.